Yeah, you fat.
Wrong. New problem. Harder than ever.
You know how we roll? We always harder than we was.
You know this problem was made by? Do you know? It was made by my boy Chet.
Exactly, it was. It's so horribly bad. It
Also
was made
known
by
as
me.
cameraman.
Yeah, me.
Amazing problem.
The man behind the voice that
And
you
guess
haven't
what we're
heard.
learning today? You see this? I'm gonna read this, okay? Multi-step inequality containing decimals and mixed numbers.
That's insane, bro, dude. Like, how we even gonna do that?
I don't even know. Okay, so we gotta use all of our brain power. All the stuff we've learned in past problems. Combine them to defeat the beast.
The beast.
Inequalities. Let's get ready. Get ready. Okay. Start EE sheet. I need that. Okay. Start that. Okay. Quick message. Okay. So, guess what we got now? We got. What does that mean, Prachek? What does that mean?
I don't even know. It's a decimal.
Decimal. Decimal. Okay, so, like I said, distributive property. Half of 2x, we all know. Half of 2, 2 times 1 half is 1x. But we're savage, so we don't write 1x. We make it easier. We write x.
Exactly. Like, you ain't know.
And then we fix that x, because we wrote it terrible. You guys all know that. Now, you gotta bring down the rest. 4 plus x plus 16 over 2. Okay?
Is great. Is less than.
And then you copy all of this. That savage arrow. Okay.
That arrow though, like.
Division. You know what division means? Division means divide. Even in the name, it's just no one notices that these days. Divide, okay? So,
Well, fraction. That really isn't division. It's just a fraction.
yeah.
And fractions are divisions.
Yeah. Don't let this trip you up, okay? 16 over 2 is 16 divided by 2. We know what that is. That's 8, right?
If you don't know that, you should not be in 7 plus math.
Okay, I'm going to let you guys guess the next step on this problem. Okay. We all know, you know that, I know that, you know that, we know that, you know, that all the teachers know that you know. Combine the like terms! Combine! See that? 12 plus x. Now we back. Now we're done with this side. Now we gotta copy this area down. So we get 5x minus 3x plus 0.35 35 hundredths or 0.65 65 hundredths times 2 over 1. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys, I'm telling you this again. Do not let this trip you up. It means div. And then, you know, I. Yeah. So, 2 divided by 1, we all know. How many groups of 2 go into 2? 1. No, 2. No.
How many groups of 2? 1?
How many groups of 1 go into 2? 2, okay. It's just times 2, guys. It's just times 2. Do not let trip you. Rhyme. Let me pick this up. Okay. So, now on this side. 5x minus 3x. You just gotta substitute. 5 minus 3 is 2. So you just gotta put the 2x. Now you still have this part. This is not that hard if you know your decimals, which you should. Let me move this. Let me go like that. Actually, no, I need it. So, what's 35 plus 60, guys? Life question. Prachek, tell me.
95.
That's right. That's right. Plus 5. What's that?
100, I
But
guess.
we got the decimals, so we move it down. 100. Decimal place is here. Move it down by 2. 1.00, also known as 1. So now you got 2x plus 1. So for now, your equation is 12 plus x is less than 2x plus 1.
Times 2. You know?
Yeah,
you gotta divide that.
Times 2. Guys, this is why you need your, trusty savage bro to help you, okay?
You can watch this video anytime you're tripped up with a problem and you see us and you're gonna be like, that's my trusty bro.
And then you're gonna remember to check your mistakes. Because that causes, I'm just gonna guess, and this is probably gonna be an educated guess, more than 70% of mistakes you didn't check. So you gotta check. That's why you got that nice friend. So you check, you bring the 2 down, you get 2x plus 1 times 2. Okay? Okay. Right? Now, I'm gonna look back at the steps, okay? So we're doing everything right, because this is like the life of steps. So you get 12 plus x, 2x plus 2, okay, times 2. So basically, and 1 times 2, what is that? We don't even have to write this whole thing down again. Oops, okay, let's do 2. Next step.
And remember, for order of operations, you just do the 1 times 2. You don't do 2x plus 1 times 2. It's called order of operations.
Because remember your GEMDAS, PEMDAS if you're older. First groupings, exponents, multiplication, division, left to right. Addition, subtraction, left to right. So you do multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. 2x plus 2. Best part. Minus x.
And remember, this is only to make your life easier. All of this is to make your life easier.
Yeah. So you have 2 different terms, okay? Let me just write this. Not the same, okay? Not the same terms. So you gotta take away that term so it makes it easier for you to combine this also, because this is like very hard to do. So you get 12 is less than, wait, not 2x, because remember this while you check, x plus 2. Okay? Now you got 12 and x. You want to make this easier, right? So you want to get the x isolated. Remember this. I'm just writing a note right now, okay? Get x isolated for the easiest final equation. The final equation would be like...
Remember, it's not an equation. It's an inequality because they don't add up.
Yeah, you know what that is. So, like, finally inequality would be like 2x is less than 4. So you just divide both sides by 2. So that's what I mean. It has to be an easy equation or inequality to solve. So inequality. That's bad spelling. No, not bad spelling. Bad handwriting. So now you gotta make it easier. So you gotta isolate the x. So you gotta take away that 2 somehow. And it's positive. So what do? You subtract it. 2.
From both sides. Make sure you do it from both sides.
Both sides, because otherwise it won't match up. Because if you get 2 is less than 4, which isn't real, and you subtract 2 from both sides, it'll be 2 is equal to 2, so the inequality is true. But no, that's not real. Like, you know, you can't have 2 apples and then trade it with someone with 4 apples for a straight deal. Unless you hate apples, like me. But you get 10. Just kidding, more I love apples. So 10 is less than x.
And this is your solution set.
But then, gotta switch it. Because, yes, this is the right answer, okay? Let's just circle this. Right answer. We checked in our minds, okay? Right answer. But if you want to make it easier, you gotta put the x in first. So if you want to graph this, and you put the 10, where are you going to put the x? So what you got to do is flip the sides, so you get x is greater than 10. Now it's easy to graph. So you can put like 10, 11, 12, 13, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now it's easy to graph because all you do, using your inequality ways to graph, 10 is greater than x. It's a simple equation, so you don't have to put the double filled out circle, and you shade to the right.
Or if you don't want to shade, you can just put an arrow.
Yeah, like that. Or like this. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. You're still getting it right. So final solution? Final solution? Final solution of the day! Of the day, bro! Jake Paul!
Yeah, kids, stay in school and do well. You'll get a job when you're older and be able to pay your bills.
We taught you. Give us money when you get a good job.
Yeah, okay.
Sign off. Pretend, stop following.